Hello, dear children, good morning. All of you open your fourth chapter, People and Places. Open your textbooks. Open fourth chapter, People and Places. Today we are going to do the exercise part of present tense, past tense. Okay? All of you open grammar part. See. Read a passage about Kanan's love for books. Here Kanan's love for book. This is a passage about Kanan's love for books. Fill in the blanks using the simple present tense. We have to fill these blanks using the simple present tense. As I have told you in our previous classes, we use simple present tense to describe an action that took place in the present time, right? So we have to fill these blanks using simple present tense. On Sunday, I dashed at 7:30. I dashed my teeth, dashed a bath and dashed dressed. After breakfast, I dashed to the central library. I dashed my bicycle in the bicycle stand. In the library, I dashed for the storybooks by my favorite authors. I dashed at the corner table and dashed the book for about 2 hours. Sometimes I dashed a few more books from the library. Around midday, I dashed back home. My family dashed lunch together. After lunch, I dashed to my room. I dash my book till the time my friends come over for a game of badminton. So, now we have to fill these dashes, fill these blanks by using simple present tense. See, on Sunday I wake up at 7:30. I brush my teeth, take a bath and neatly dressed. After breakfast, I went to the central library. I take my bicycle in the bicycle stand. In the library, I took the storybooks by my favorite authors. I sit at a corner table and read the book for about 2 hours. Sometimes I take a few more books from the library. Around midday, I return back home. My family had our lunch together. After lunch, I went to my room. I start my book till the time my friend comes over for a game of badminton. Okay, children, this is about a passage about Kanan's love for books, and we have filled these blanks using simple present tense. Now see C1. Use the linkers and, or, but and so to complete these sentences. So to complete these sentences, we have to use these linkers or conjugations, right? Conjunctions. So we have to use to fill them and, or, but and so. Okay. See the first one. The police ran after him, but he escaped. The police ran after him, but he escaped. Second one. I had sandwiches and a banana for breakfast. I had sandwiches and a banana for breakfast. Third one. Is the musical concert on Sunday or on Saturday or Sunday? Is the musical concert on Saturday or Sunday? Fourth one. I loved the jazz, so I bought one. I loved the jazz, so I bought one. Fifth one. Lavanya and Derek are reading in the library. Lavanya and Derek are reading in the library. Sixth one. He was smiling, but I knew how disappointed he was. He was smiling, but I knew how disappointed he was. Seventh one. Do I take the right or the left from the stationery mart? Do I take the right or the left from the stationery mart? So, These are the linkers to complete these sentences. Okay. Now see binomials. What are binomials? See, the peace and quiet of Sapmi makes it an attractive tourist destination. The highlighted phrase is a binomial. What is the highlighted phrase here? Peace and quiet. So, in a binomial, two words are joined by and. The order of the words is fixed. For example, we cannot say span and speak. So, we are joining the two words which are related to each other to complete a sentence. This is called as binomials. Okay. See here. Make binomials with words from the box joined by and. Here they have given some binomials. We have to join them by adding and in between the words. Okay. Given here. Then use them to complete the sentences. We have to use these binomials by adding and in between to complete these sentences. So children, you have to do this work by your own, and later I will tell you the answers. Okay. See this. Complete these sentences with the right form of the sound words given below. We have to complete these sentences given above. In above, they have given some words: roar, tinkle, blast, rumble, shriek, squeal, right? So these words are examples of onomatopoeia. Okay, onomatopoeia or sound words. So the pronunciation of the words resembles the sounds they describe. See the first one. Thunder, rumble in the distance. Thunder, rumble in the distance. He suddenly let out a piercing shriek in the middle of the night. The brakes squeal as the van rounded the corner. Several families lost their dear ones in the blast. Asin sat listening to the silvery tinkle of a stream. We could hear the lions roar at the other end of the zoo. Okay, children, you do this part. Once go through the today's class. Okay. Bye, children. Thank you.